How to fix Fortnite not launching on PS5. So if you are facing this issue, it can be solved by some of the simple tricks. So first and foremost, go ahead and launch your Fortnite on your PS5. So right here, first and foremost, you have to check for an available update on your Fortnite. For that, you can just go ahead and right click on your Fortnite icon and then check for any update. It will display options like this. Just tap on check for update. Once you tap on it, if there is any update, your Fortnite will be up to date. Then on to the next step, you have to also check for your console storage. Sometimes if you do not have enough storage on your console, Fortnite may not launch. Not just Fortnite, any other game might not launch on your PS5 due to low storage problem. Tap on the games and apps if you want to remove any of the games and applications that you no longer live on your PS5 and create some storage for other games that you actually play. Now once you have cleared up some of the storage, if your problem is not yet fixed, the last resort is to reset your console. Just go ahead to your reset options, then tap on reset your console. Now once you do this, your problem must be fixed and your console will restart. Then after it restarts, try to launch your Fortnite once again, and that's pretty much it. We hope that you found this video helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.